like the worst way to wake up in the morning. Look at it. It's our coffee.
That's
No kidding!
My rug. Oh, look at how we gotta pour our coffee. No. At least we were able to get 2 giant cups out of it.
there.
At least we can jump over.
Alright, so sad.
Are we out of yogurt?
So sad. Hey Clarabelle.
Hello.
We are getting her hair ready. It's September. So we like to crimp it. Look how pretty. So we've got one more section left and it's gonna be sweet. Right, Juju? Oh yeah. I'm in Costco again. Here's our haul. We'll go through it later. I like to call this I have kids. Alright guys, so typically like in a haul video people would go through and show you like, this is the garbage bags that I bought and it's so beautiful and our trash is gonna look so awesome in our garbage bag, and here's lettuce because I'm a good mom and I make salads. Before I get going, I am gonna put some of my rollerball lotion on here. It's called Focus. It's a blend. A friend made it for me and it smells really good. Let's see if we can do this before the kids get home. I got 30 minutes. Do you think I can do it? So we're getting some of our gifts for teachers and students together tomorrow. And look at this, it's so cute. So we got a card, we put a hot cocoa pack in there, and then we got some Kirkland signature popcorn and tied a candy cane to it. Pretty simple, but again, thanks Costco. The candy cane. Kids cut out a whole bunch of snowflakes. I put in some dark hot chocolate and a Netflix gift card and some popcorn. And so our theme is Netflix and chill. And I added some lavender oil too, just a little bit. Look at this. It's cleaned. It's ready to go. We're gonna run it. Which button? Work. If it doesn't work, I'm going back to bed. Alright, Claire, which one are you gonna get? Reese's and cookies and cream mix? Good call. What do you even know what you're getting? La la la.
Not too much stuff.
Alright, what are you gonna get?
Oreo.
Oreo.
That was good.
Ooh, that looks good. This is how you start it, right, Liam? Let's see what you got. That's a lot of food. We are officially on break. We got our ice cream. All right, we just finished up our ice cream, and I got all the kids with me.
Are you sure?
And we're on spring break, right?
You can eat.
And Liam's dressed up as Santa
You
today.
can eat some coconut.
Say ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Excellent. Hey, so I almost forgot to wrap this video up, but I want to do that real quick right now. I have to go to, it's Friday, so I got to go do some Christmas party stuff at school with the kids, and it's going to be really awesome. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. This one was a little bit painful, but it was painful for me too because our coffee pot broke. It's like the worst thing that could happen, right? So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and just keep checking back. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks. Bye.